Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to download ringtones for Android. If you don't want your classic or default ringtones on your phone, then you've come to the right place. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we will learn how to download specific audios to use as ringtone for our Android smartphones. To download audios, you simply have to follow every step that I make because it only takes minimal effort. Okay, so let us start. The first thing we have to do is head to our browser. If you are annoyed by ads popping up every time you use your browser, I recommend using Brave browser. Not only does it have data saving features, it also has a built-in ad blocker. So let's go back on track. To download audios, we simply have to search for YouTube to MP3 converter. Once you have searched for it, just click the first one that pops up. By the way, the audio that we will download will come from YouTube. If you can't search for the audio that you are looking for on YouTube, just look if you have the option to download the audio. It may be the three dots or the download icon. So let's continue after clicking the YouTube converter. It doesn't really matter what website you select, but I recommend clicking the first one. After clicking the YouTube converter, let's go back to our home screen and open YouTube. Once you have opened YouTube, just search for the video or the audio that you want to download as a ringtone. Don't worry, we will download the video as MP3 so it will be converted into an audio file. Now that you have searched for the video, just click it and look for the share button. Now after tapping the share button, we will see the copy link option. I want you to press that. And once we have copied the link to our YouTube video, let's head back to our browser. Now that we are back to the YouTube MP3 converter, just paste the link on the text box. Some websites will automatically convert the video to MP3, some will require you to hit convert first, so just do that. Also keep in mind that you want to download the link in MP3 format, so make sure to select MP3. Now let us hit convert, and after converting, we will see the download option. Just tap download and then it will start downloading. Once you have downloaded the audio, let's go back to our home screen and open our phone settings. After opening settings, look for sound and vibration. And then I want you to scroll down and select the ringtone that you want to change. It can be the incoming call ringtone, the message tone, the calendar alert ringtones, notification ringtone, and alarm ringtones. I will be choosing the incoming call ringtone. After selecting the ringtone you want to change, just scroll up or down and look for custom ringtone. Then press it. Here we will see different audios and music available on our phone. Then select the audio that you want to use as the new ringtone. Now I have chosen the video that I have downloaded. And then we are done. Now that you know how to download ringtones and use them, please let us know what you want us to teach you next time. Also make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching.